You've been building beautiful homes, profitable units, impressive projects that you poured time, energy, and capital into. But let me ask you something real quick. Who actually knows about them? If the answer isn't buyers, investors, or decision makers with money in hand, then you don't have a product problem, you have a visibility problem. Let's call it what it is. You're out here pouring concrete and capital, but ignoring the one thing that actually multiplies your work: communication, because value doesn't scale if no one sees it, and the best work in the world will still go unnoticed if it's invisible. You don't need to go viral, you don't need to dance, you don't even need to post every day. You need to be visible to the right people at the right time with the right message, and for that, I built the 1% VVS system. It's how you turn your quiet real estate projects into client-attracting machines using simple, strategic video content that builds trust, traffic, and transactions. Let me show you how it works in your world. The 1% VVS system stands for Value Video That Scales. It's not just about making videos, it's about building content that compounds. Content that works while you work. Content that introduces you before you enter the room. Content that pre-sells your credibility to people who are looking for someone just like you. But what powers this system is the VTT formula, V equal value. Your content has to help, period. Answer the questions your audience is already Googling. If it helps, it hits. T equal trust. Your content has to feel real. No stock footage, no corporate jargon, just you, your story, your lessons, your energy. T equal traffic. Your content has to be findable. YouTube, Google, LinkedIn. Your message should live where money flows. If your name doesn't show up in search, you don't exist to the people looking to pay you. Let me show you how this played out with one of my clients. His name is Derek. 17 projects completed in Atlanta. Beautiful work, flawless craftsmanship, but online, nothing. No videos, no YouTube presence, just word of mouth and hope. And that's not a strategy, that's gambling. We installed the 1% VVS system, got him to film one simple high-value video, how I choose land for my next development. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't overproduced, it was clear, honest, valuable. That video got 12,000 views, and it brought in a $700,000 JV partner from Texas, someone who had never heard of him before. That's not just exposure, that's visibility that converts. That's what happens when you stop waiting for referrals and start building digital assets that scale your trust. So how do you scale this? You build what I call a visibility engine, a repeatable content library that lives online and works even when you're on site, in meetings, or taking a break. And it's not hard to start. Here's how. Start filming short, helpful videos answering your clients' biggest questions. Document your day. Do site walkthroughs, financing tips, or lessons learned. Use the VTT formula every time you speak. Bring value. Show your truth. Make it findable. You don't need a fancy studio. You just need a strategy. Here are 3 video ideas you could record today. 3 red flags I check before buying any lot. How I raised $2 million without using my own money. The mistake I made in my first duplex. Don't do this. Each of these videos, it's not just content. It's a lead magnet. It's a credibility builder. It's digital real estate that appreciates in visibility every time someone hits play. So here's the truth. If you're a real estate developer, you don't have to hustle harder. You don't have to chase every lead. You don't have to post aimlessly and hope it sticks. You just need to show up with the right message in the right place consistently. That's what the 1% VVS system is built for. It's how we helped Derek stop getting overlooked and start getting overbooked. It's how you go from quiet expertise to visible authority, from who is that to how do I work with them. So if you want the exact system we gave Derek, the same one that brought in high-ticket partners, visibility, and momentum, click the link in the pinned comment and grab the $97 Masterclass. It's where I show you how to build trust without burnout, attract aligned clients without chasing, turn your knowledge into high-performing content that does the selling for you. This is where your visibility engine begins. Click here. Because let's be real, your next deal won't come just from what you build, it'll come from how you communicate what you've built. And when you become visible, you become unstoppable. Let's go build.